So, welcome back, children. This story is about one girl, Vasudha. Grown up girl she is, and she is a fashion designer. Not a small fashion designer, very successful she is in her profession. She designs dresses and garments and all such things, and then it is stitched, and people give her orders for various purposes, maybe for marriages or parties or such type of occasions where people wear some special type of dresses. She designs those dresses. Her mother is also working in one office, and even father, he is working in the bank. He is a bank officer. Now all three of them are working, and they have an elderly person also in the family. It's Vasudha's grandmother. Every morning, Vasudha, when she finishes her bathing and all these things, she bathes and feeds her grandmother. Bathes means gives her a bath, and food she feeds her grandmother. Grandmother's name is Shanti Anand. Before going to office, every day she does it. In the evening, when she comes back, she again cleans her and feeds her whatever food is there in the house cooked. She gives her the food. She feeds her with her own hand. She combs her hair. She gives her a bath. She changes her clothes because she's old. She can't do much work. So this sort of thing she is doing. Whenever when you also do such type of things, your parents also might be feeling very proud of you. Oh, my child is doing such nice things, isn't it? I also feel very proud when my children do something great, and especially for others when they do. So, her parents also felt very proud of her caring behavior towards her grandmother. This caring behavior, from where did Vasudha get? Definitely, she has observed her parents. Her parents' behavior, her parents' caring nature towards the grandmother or towards others. Also, she must have observed right from childhood, and she grew up into a young girl. After observing her parents, then only this naturally developed in her. Naturally it came into her, and she grew up into a very caring child, taking care of others and taking the responsibility of her grandmother. Nobody told her mother and father did not tell her that you must care for your grandmother, you give her a bath, you do this, you do. She took the responsibility on her own. So, what is this? Sensitivity towards her grandmother. This type of caring nature when we have towards others, it is called sensitivity. So, this is about the family. You see, there are many old people in the family also. They are not able to hear properly. You have to speak very loudly sometimes, and then only they are able to hear. So, you have to help such people. Some of them, their eyesight becomes weak. They can't see. Maybe it is dark, they can't go. So, you give that person a helping hand. This is all what we have to do in the society also where we are living. Whatever we learn from our family, that same action we portray outside the family also, with our neighbors, neighborhood, the society, the people living all around us. Understood, children? And again I'll take up this lesson for a while and stop, and I will show you certain helpful nature of people, how they help in different ways.